Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome back for another video. This is part 2 of the rack install. If you don't know what the hell I'm talking about, go hit that link up there. It's the unboxing and assembly of the Prinsu rack for the Chevy Colorado. So I have the rack laid out exactly, because this is literally 5 seconds later from me closing out the other video. Rack's still laid out, mildly assembled, got the truck in position. We're going to have to start taking this apart. So first thing we're going to have to do is pop these little trim pieces off there, and then we can start measuring and drilling. So once again, this is the Prinsu rack. There are a couple more options I think for the Colorado, but I went with Prinsu. A bunch of people are running it. No one has any problems with it. Hardest part of all of this, I believe, is just drilling out the roof, which I'm not too excited about, but we're gonna do it and we're gonna make it awesome. So let me get those trim pieces off and then we'll speak again. I don't even think I could give you pointers on taking that trim off because that was really annoying. I can show you what it looks like though. So sits on this thing, this little nub. So there's a piece of plastic that kind of like snaps onto that. So you have to pry it up. I was using an interior pry tool, pry it up as much as possible. And then I actually tried to use a screwdriver to just pop it off the thing, but you're gonna have to pop it off. And I thought I was gonna break them, only broke one. So hopefully some get deleted where I could move one over somewhere. Alright, so you're back down off the top of the truck. Drilling those holes are horrendous. Torture. They're torture. I wound up going to the store and getting new drill bits because all my drill bits were pretty dull. So I went and got these Milwaukee ones. They were, where is it? For hard metal. Apparently, the further back you go, drilling these holes, the easier they're supposed to get. I guess there's the hard metal at the very front, which is part of the crash structure, which I would assume, but that was torture. Now it's time to get these, I forget what they call these things, these little nut things in it. There's a longer bolt. Put the bolt on, put the bolt through, use this little thing, it slides, passes through that. Put that on, try to do it here. Then you're gonna put it in the hole, hold it with that, take your ratchet and tighten it. Then this is going to crush and hold in place. So we're going to throw some silicone around this. While I was there, I got some new silicone. Throw it around there, tighten it down. Then we're going to do the same on the driver's side and the passenger side in the two holes. Do the same on both sides. And then we got to put the rack up there, mark the rest of the holes, and go through the torturous task of drilling more holes. Got that in. Got the one on each side in, threw the rack up there, marked my other holes, and now got to go through the painstaking task of drilling the rest of these damn holes out. So there's 5 more on each side. Kill me, please. All right, just I got all the pilot holes drilled out with this so far. Actually went very smoothly, thank God. Maybe this bitch is sharper. If you don't have a drill bit stopper, what I'm doing obviously is putting a crap load of tape on it. So just now what I'm doing to make my own little drill stopper, here's some tape, figure out how far you want it. Cut it. Drill stopper. Whew, that was legit torture, but we got all the holes drilled. Gonna clean it up. Gonna use the vacuum to vacuum all the metal shards up, but what we're looking like. Front of the car, so obviously that goes to there, goes to there. Let me vacuum this up. then we will figure out actually putting this on. Probably gonna silicone the crap out of it even more, but let me get these things in, silicone them up. Well, let me vacuum it, then silicone it all up, get these in. Then I think after it's installed, we gotta trim the trim to fit the snap back on. Drilling it was the hardest part. Took plenty of hours, and I mean mainly because I didn't have the right drill bits at first, and I was being stubborn to go to the store. But went to the store and got new drill bits, and we got 2 casualties because I snapped 2 of them. Luckily, I was able to get through. Pain in the ass. So I tried to put these all in place. I got them, I put a bead of silicone on it, then I placed it in and smushed it down. This isn't the time to be shy with the silicone because you don't want this leaking. So do that. I think it's time to try to put the rack on. Throwing some extra silicone on it right now. Got it all bolted down, pretty solid. Now, last thing we're gonna do is put these other bars on. Gonna do that. Then I might wait till tomorrow to cut the trim because kind of don't feel like doing it today, and it was a little bit of a pain in the ass doing all this. The holes were torture. If I haven't said they were torture, they were torture. Just saw my wife decided to play arts and crafts with silicone in the bolts, but like I said, don't cheap out on it because you don't want to leak it in the car, so no one's ever going to see that really either, so it's going to get covered. I guess, have fun. Alright, so here's the silicone we used. It's indoor, outdoor. Make sure you get, I guess, an indoor, outdoor. What you really want is the outdoor aspect of it, so if you could only find outdoor, use that. We use clear. Can get black, white, or whatever, but maybe black would work better since it would match it would blend in with the rack a little bit better, but silicone, do it. Make sure it is 100% waterproof. That's one thing you're looking for, other than just the outdoor aspect. 100% waterproof, and I believe it says somewhere back here that it sticks to metal somewhere, but make sure it sticks to metal. Silicone. So that's it for today. Well, basically the whole install. Gonna deal with cutting those trim pieces on driver and passenger side tomorrow. Those are the glam shots you're gonna see right after I'm done talking. Overall, the rack itself, very simple to deal with. Drilling those holes, complete pain in the ass. So if, I know Prinsu, like I said earlier in the video, Prinsu has their own install. And of course they're gonna make it seem very simple because they want you to buy the rack. Complete pain in the ass to drill those holes. So get the newest, go buy new drill bits and just step up one size at a time, and that's your best bet because horrendous. So I started drilling and was having trouble with the first hole, so I actually decided to go to the store to buy new drill bits. I actually have the case right here, so I'll show you the packaging it came in. It came in this, it said hard metal, because the other ones I do have are for regular metal, so I decided let me get the ones for hard metal since the roof is very hard. And I still snapped 2 drill bits, so just 2 casualties here. So keep that in mind when you're drilling it out. It is a pain in the ass. I was able to do it with a battery-powered Milwaukee drill. I thought I was just going to drain through the batteries and was thinking I was going to need a corded drill, but was able to do it with just the cordless one. So that's a plus. So on a scale from 1 to 10 for this install, 1 being, I guess, a sticker, and 10 being a whole motor replacement, I guess this is probably about an 8 because of those damn holes. Pain in the ass. I can't stress enough how much of a pain in the ass those holes were. Once it's drilled, you fly through. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. I will see you guys on the next one. Enjoy these glamour shots of the rack. Peace out. And I know I said it's an 8 on the difficulty. The 8 is basically because of the labor intensive. You're standing on a ladder the entire time doing it, and you're not in the greatest position to be drilling. It's not really difficult. It's just horrible to do it. It's just a pain in the ass. It just doesn't feel good. It's tiring. But other than that, you're drilling 12 holes at the end of the day. But keep that in mind.